Since the first day I came to the very first meeting a few years ago, I've been extremely happy, and especially every time I return. This is a wonderful community of weather presenters, of meteorologists, and scientists overall, and we learn so much from each other. Every year, what we're working on, we share those experiences, and we also learn what's happening in different parts of the world. And the funny thing is that even though we might speak different languages, or we might live so far away from each other, the specific issues that affect us are so similar, especially now with climate change. It doesn't matter where you are in the world, we are being affected by the same monster, and that monster, it's climate change. It's a crisis, and it might affect us in different degrees or different forms, but at the end of the day, the common people on the ground is the one suffering, and that's the person that we need to reach, and we need to tell that person how to cope with those problems, and also instill the sense that there's hope and that we're working on it and that much can be done. So this is a great place, and I hope it continues for like 20 more years or more. I will be talking about how to tell people not only about the problems that affect us, whether it's environmental problems or climate problems, and also talk to them about the solutions to those problems. People by nature, and I include myself because I'm part of humanity, we tend to shut down when we feel overwhelmed by a specific problem. So we want everyone to be aware of environmental issues, of climate change issues, because when you learn, you have the tools to act upon that. And also, by having those tools, you could learn about potential solutions and things that scientists are working on, because not everything is gloom and doom. There are very positive and hopeful news every day happening, and we need to get that word out. It is very important to get the conversation going, and that's what's happening today. We make the future. The future hasn't happened yet. It'll happen according to what we decide today. And by talking to potential changes, how we need to communicate those changes to the general public, those are the basics to that future that we really want to be the best possible outcome for all of us.